Good afternoon, folks, and welcome to the 16th annual VicRoads Great Victorian Bike Ride. Please take care out there. You're fully supported as from this moment on. Remember, more skills, fewer spills, and cycle safely. Thank you.
Going well. Done 0.7 of a K. Only about 600 to go. You're going well. I'd much like the t-shirts. Look terrific, don't they? Nice and warm. Good stuff. Take care. Have fun.
Hi, my name's Tamison. I'm from Melbourne and I'm heading off on the 1999 VicRoads Great Victorian Bike Ride. Started off this morning in King's Domain in St Kilda Road, where our bikes were loaded onto trucks and we boarded the coach bound for Echuca. Upon arriving in Echuca, we registered, we prepared our bikes, picked up our lunch, and now all we have to worry about is enjoying the ride because our bags have already gone on ahead of us and have arrived in Rochester. So here comes some travelling music and away we go.
How you going?
G'day, my name's Paul and I come from Mount Waverley in Melbourne. I'm here to tell you about the route for the 1999 Great Victorian Bike Ride. This year we're starting in Echuca, then we go down through Rochester, into Bendigo, across to St Ornard, then on through Maryborough, Castlemaine, Trentham, then on through Riddles Creek and then down into Melbourne.
G'day, my name's Stephen Morrison. I'm from Sacred Heart College, and today the problem with my bike is that the shaft is loose and I probably won't be riding again today.
Okay, this is the last test area before Rochester. Make sure you fill your water bottle. No problem.
Hi, my name's Rick Casey from Marlow. This is one of my boys, Brett. This is his mate Craig. My daughter and one of her mates are also here somewhere. Day one, we've been on the road about an hour and a half. We're at Lockington. We're having a really good time. It's a bit warm, but I'm looking forward to a shower and a nice comfy bed in Rochester tonight.
Oh yeah, it's been a long hot day. Gotta have a beer before we get to the campsite. Beautiful.
Yeah, and we've known each other for 8 years, and here we are again. Cheers.
Cheers.
Back for the second time, because we enjoyed it so much last time. But this time we brought my father along, and we're all having a boys weekend together, boys week away together. I'm the father, or grandfather, I'm just trying to keep up. This will be the longest ride I've done for a while.
Big man here from Bentley West Primary School, and I believe we're one of the
very few primary schools who go on this thing, the second perhaps primary school who goes on the bike ride. We've had a fantastic time just even training for it, and now we're out here and it's a beautiful sunny day on day 2, and it's just fantastic. Kids are having a ball.
So you're not hungry now?
You tell me if you see that big tiger.
Why?
Because I want to chase him.
I see that tiger.
Where is he?
There. In the tree? There, Dad.
Oh, how did he get up there?
We'll have to ride all the way to it, won't we?
Yep, we'll have to ride all the way. Am I going fast enough?
Yeah.
Here we are. We've arrived in Bendigo.
Hi, my name's Robin Massey. I'm from Greensborough. We've just been at Bendigo, and in the afternoon I went to the art gallery, had a nice cool drink and walked through the gardens and up to the Poppet Head, and now we're on our way to St Arnaud.
We're going really well. Most of the schools are really well prepared for this day, thanks to all of the support. So thank you.
Rick from Marlow, here they are. Right. Thank you.
We love the bike ride! Great fun! Woo!
Hello, I'm Gillian.
And I'm Wayne.
And we're doing our first bike ride.
We're from Erskineville in Sydney.
And I'm a little bit sore in the shoulders.
We both are.
So I'm bringing my masseur along with me.
The shoulders and the bum.
And it's been a great time. It's good to do this with a whole lot of people. And getting up at 5:30 this morning and seeing the whole campsite in activity was amazing.
And everyone we met so far has been really nice. It's probably the best thing about it, is the people.
Definitely.
50 k's to go. Oh, goody.
You lied to me.
Yeah, I thought it was only 45. Oh.
One of the best things about the bike ride is after a long hot day of riding like today, you get to have a nice hot refreshing shower and you go from feeling like this to this. Fantastic.
Going to a great town, there's loads of great people on this road. So, you know, and by the way, happy birthday once again to Zach, who's turning 14, from his dad and all his mates at McKinnon Secondary College and Bentley West Primary School. Happy 14th birthday, Zach McMahon.
Hi there, I'm Trevor May, I'm from Adelaide. We're just leaving St Arnaud, looking forward to getting to Maryborough and having a day off tomorrow.
This is Marcus, my 5-year-old son. This is his first Great Victorian bike ride, and my second.
This is my 4th ride. 3rd ride last year. I got chest pains, ended up in hospital, quad bypass surgery. Lying in bed, recovering, I thought, where am I going to go with this? I thought, goal is the next ride, and here I am, having fun. Yesterday did the 105 Ks, felt really good about it, and I'm back on the road. Still hurt a bit, but it's fun.
Team Penguin, yeah. 100 years of Antarctic experience here, and 95. 95, well, close. And we reunion each year, and 6 of us thought we'd go on a bike ride. Whose idea was it? Bloody hard work. This guy, the last reunion.
Hello, I'm Jan. I'm really enjoying this bike ride because I love being out in the fresh air in the countryside and hearing the birds and smelling the fresh hay, and seeing all the big sky. And we're in the central Goldfields area. It's still quite early in the morning and nice and cool, and you can see occasionally the mould mines around this area. It's really pretty country with lots of some forests and most of the tracks treed. I think we're heading for Denali now for lunch, and it's been a beautiful day.
Get right!
We're doing that way, look. That number. Oh, when it says,
My name's Jeff from Essendon. This is my 10th ride out of 11, and a fantastic day of cycling. A lot of people ask me about my green speed. It's extremely comfortable, that's the first thing to say. I think I'm one of the few people that gets into camp every single day with a very, very comfortable backside, let's say that. The best feature of this bike is the comfort. I'm just coasting along down a hill now, very slight decline, very little effort over the day. It's great fun. I get to see all this scenery. You wouldn't have it any other way, really.
Do you? Yeah. I got 2 of my nieces go there. Oh, which ones? Steffi and Alex Norman. Right, okay, I know, yeah. No, I taught Alex Norman last year. Oh, really? Oh, well. It is, you just go through work with them. Thank you.
Hello, dear mate. Oh, very well.
Today's the rest day, so I'm going to be catching up on a bit of sleep, bit of reading. I'm going to go check out the pool, have a bit of a swim and a sauna, wander around the town, see the railway station, a few stores, and generally have a really relaxing day.
Having a great day today on the rest day. Sensational weather, but the girls got to go shopping.
Hi Mum, how are you? Yeah, I'm having a really good time, it's really fun. Yeah, school's going grouse, it's a really good camp. We're all getting on and it's really good.
I'm Rowan Swanee, I'm from Geelong Grammar School. This is the 7th year we've brought our team on the Great Victorian Bike Ride. We have 20 students and 10 adults. Steph.
This is my 3rd year on the bike ride. I've enjoyed every 3 of them. This is probably the best one because I'm most fittest this year and the weather's been really good so far.
And off you go, Jonathan. Make a move.
This is the VicRoads Great Victorian Bike Ride. It's a terrific atmosphere here. What VicRoads are doing, we're trying to encourage more skills, fewer spills. And here today we're having an example where the kids are out here, they're doing their skills on a slow slalom, and it's terrific to see the kids what they can do on their bikes out here.
Just about to... well, Jonathan, thanks very much. You've done such a fine effort. Excellent bit of work, and the crowd are so pleased about it. Round of applause for Jonathan.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, men and women of both sexes, tonight we have a veritable plethora of prizes for you.
The 1999 VicRoads Great Victorian Bike Ride. We're on the quest for the Holy Grail.
This is just a little act I've been doing for about 25 years, usually to get beers in a pub when I've run out of money.
There's a light in me that shines brightly. Yeah, they can try, but they can't take that away from me.
Well, I'm sorry. I didn't realise that this was so serious.
Then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer. Not a trace of doubt in my mind. I'm in love. Ooh, I'm a believer. I couldn't leave her if I
Good morning.
Morning.
Morning. Good
Hey,
stuff.
ho.
That's good.
Degrees out here.
Yeah, we can't handle it anymore. We're going to walk to the lunch spot.
Hi, I'm Katie, and this is the 6th day of the Great Victorian Bike Ride, and I'm here with 6 of my uni friends, and today's been a really hot day with really strong headwinds, and it's been a bit of a battle, but we're determined not to get off our bike, and I haven't walked yet, so it's going well, and we've made it to Melbourne, and there's only 25 more K to Castlemaine, where I'm going to cool down and have a swim in the pool and sleep in my friend's lovely comfy tent. So woohoo, it's really exciting, it's almost over.
It's been a great day today. The weather was hot, the wind was very strong, a strong headwind, but after 85 kilometres today, we got through from Maryborough to Castlemaine, and we've now deserved a good, cool beer.
All those testy hills we made.
Cheers. Ready for tomorrow.
Cafe to Canvas, that's where we are at the moment. It's a hub of activity here. Everyone winds down after a long day on the road, has maybe a can or two of Vic Bitter, maybe a can of Coke if that's the way you're orientated. A couple of people have a Chardonnay if that's their fancy, but it's the best way to relax after a long day on the road.
One of the great things about the Great Victorian Bike Ride is that after a long day in the saddle, you get served a healthy, nutritious meal which sets you up for the next day. It's served up by happy volunteers and is followed up by a magnificent dessert. What more could you ask for than that?
Well, it's very early. Just getting ready for breakfast, getting ready to get on the road about 6:30. Clouds are looking quite ominous. It's a bit hard to say what the weather's going to do. But, just woken up the kookaburras and we'll see what the day brings.
Morning.
Good morning.
And is it going to rain on us, or are we going to have a head or a tailwind?
Started at 4:30 and I'm eating breakfast now. It's just a bit past 6. It looks a bit cooler today, which should be good because it's been really, really hot. Hopefully it won't be too hilly today, but I'm really not looking that forward to it. But the start should be okay.
The wind's at about 40 knots at the moment. It's starting to turn around. I think we'll be heading straight into it today. We're going to be uphill for about 45 k's. But we're going to tough it out. So that's what we're here for.
A bit of rain, quite a breezy day.
I like the rain. It's much better riding in the rain.
In the 35 degrees, I think the hot days we've had in the last little while have really tired people out.
Yesterday was just zapping.
Come on the road!
Hi, I'm Justine. I've come from Sydney for the ride. We're in Newstead at the first rest stop of the day. The day started overcast and rainy and very hilly.
Hi, I'm from England and I've come to do this ride. The weather has been extremely hot, but today they've made me feel at home with the rain. Very well organised ride and we're really enjoying it. As you can see,
Hi, look, I'm Kate and this is Matthew from Bendigo Special Developmental School. We've done the Great Victorian Bike Ride for 7 years. This, I think, is Matthew's third. And basically we do this because of our bike education program at school, and it's a 9-day experience in life skills. And riding the bike is probably the easiest thing that we do. But basically it's the tents, the social side of things, actually meeting people and all those great things that we do, and the bike public is fabulous to our students.
This is what it's all about, the Great Victorian Bike Ride. Beautiful one day, perfect the next.
We bought a pair of tracksuit pants. The first 5 days we think, what a waste of space that was. And tonight I think we may finally find a use for them.
So we just finished exams and we're here to have a great time. And to relax, because it's so much fun.
Does anybody need some sunscreen?
Hi, I'm Rick from Nauru, and we've brought about 35 kids over this year for the bike ride. And the experience they'll get out of this will be a lot. I mean, by riding in the sunshine, and then all of a sudden into this great Victoria weather. Very great experience, and getting in between these people socially, learning the culture and all that sort of thing.
It's not raining, it's not raining.
We're from VicRoads. We visit the primary schools along the way. We've got Dean Woods with us, and Dean talks to the kids about helmets and cycling safety, don't we, Dino?
We do. We also make sure that people wear helmets, but not only that, making sure they do wear them correctly, because it's a bit of a thing nowadays. The helmets aren't done up properly, and they're promoting that, and the kids love it.
I'm Hannah, and we're approaching another hill. They're everywhere today, and it's pretty hard, but
get up there, get up.
Yep. Encouragement, that's good. I'm aiming to do all the hills without walking, and it's very difficult. Might just go in a lower gear. Oh, there we go. I mean, we all love the downhills, but a bit of uphill, that's what leads to the downhill. So, and I believe there's one approaching, and here we are, the top. Oh my gosh, looks brilliant. Here we go. Oh wow. Oh yeah. This is the stuff. This is what we're all looking for. Okay. Woo. Oh, lovely. Oh, great. Absolutely brilliant. Woohoo! Downhill kind of revives you from all that hard slog. Oh my gosh, I love it. This is the best downhill it's been, I reckon. Oh, it's great.
Turned out a magnificent day today. We're on our way from Trentham to Riddles Creek. We've only got 65k to go, and then we've got one more day of riding, so it's going to be a good one today. We'll see you later.
I come from Japan, and I'm really enjoying this riding, and I love Australian beautiful view, the countryside.
Right, ready, set, go. I asked Bianca to come along on this trip, and at first she said yeah, and then had second thought she didn't want to go in a race. And I said, it's not a race, it's a bike ride of leisure. So what do you think, Bianca?
Oh, it's been great. I've loved being able to get out and meet new people and see more of Victoria. I've really enjoyed myself.
We'd never done any mileage before. The most we'd done was 48. So when we did 103, oh, he was so happy, weren't you, mate?
Yeah, it's the best.
He was really, really happy.
Proud of myself.
Yeah, the best part's the social aspect of it and the friendships you make along the way. Magnificent.
It's the best way to see the countryside.
Good way to meet a lot of new people with the same interests.
The old faces we see year after year, they just seem to keep coming back, and it's like a social event, really.
Good ride, good 9 days.
It's good. It's good. Yeah, man.
It's just so enjoyable. You meet so many great people, and it's
best thing you can do.
It's a great ride. It's a fantastic ride. We're going to do it again. Forever. Do it again next year. Yep.
And I'm back next year for sure. It was great. I don't know what else to say. It's so much fun.
Everyone should do it. It's a great holiday. That's for sure.